In prime time news this evening, another death. 10th person dies from COVID-19 in Jamaica. Indicom boss outlines concerns that inmates are given keys to other cells. And double murder rocks Augustown community.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, primetime sports, sports commentary, e-prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what is the first thing you're planning to do when COVID-19 restrictions are lifted?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.